Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss multiple if and nested if. And first of all, I'm sorry because I'm uploading my tutorial very late because of some issues, but that's okay. So today our topic is multiple if. What is multiple if? It's a very easy topic because it's just like if, but we have to write if after another if, and we don't have to write else with it. Let's make a program. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and like it. Let's go start a program. First of all, let's include these things. Always you have to remember these things what I write. Oh, there's a mistake. So what was our topic? The topic was multiple if after another if. So we have an example of calculating grade of a student. So how it will be, let's suppose a student named Asad and his subject was English. Let's calculate his grade in English. So we will take English, a variable of integer type. Then we will see in now the real work comes. And what's it? You have to focus what I'm going to do now. If now we will make a condition. If our student, let's suppose Asad, have marks greater than 85, then if English is greater than equal to 85, then see out your grade is A. Okay, now that's complete. Now write another if. English if. Now this will we justify our the conditions. Look at the first condition. If English is greater than equal to 85, then your grade is A. Okay, there's a mistake. If English is greater than equal to 70, then and there is one thing you don't have to forget. You have to read the conditional operators from Google. And English is less than equal to 85. So here our condition is completed. If English is greater than and equal to 70 and operator is used to true all the conditions. If I use OR operator here like this, then if the first one condition, which is English is greater than equal to 70, is true and other is false, then it will run. But in and both the condition needs to be true. Okay, now if the condition is both condition is true, then see out your grade is B. The system pause is used to give a pause to our program to stop the program run on the console application. That's why we're using system pause. So running the program is so after running a program it will ask to enter the marks of English. So let's suppose the student gets 76, so his grade is B. Actually there was a problem. We don't have to write there else, we have to write if English is less than 60 then you are failed. By the way, less than 50 was actually failing marks, but here this was an example, so that's why I write less than 60 is fail. So if, look at this, 76 was the marks of English, and see there this condition, we get this result just because of this condition. So that's how we use multiple if. I hope you all clear to this topic. If there is any query, you can write in the comments. Thank you. Now let's move to our another topic, which is nested if. So the basic definition of nested if is called if within another if is called nested if. The if inside another if can be have of multiple numbers, like if this condition is getting true, then there are those if, and you have to check all these if. Let me show you the concept pic. Start, if the condition is false then it will move toward the nested if condition, and if the nested if is true then the control will get enter into the nested if body and check all those ifs in this if body which was true. So this is the concept of if and nested if. These both are connected to each other. So you have to understand this pictures before starting any program of nested if. So let's suppose I have 5 students and I have to enter the marks of those 5 students and to find which one have the highest marks. Let's suppose A, B, C, D and E. Then enter the marks of A. The NL is used to move on another line. I think you all should know this. And then C in A. So So here we get the marks of all 5 students. Now what we have to find is that which one have highest marks by nested if. So first of all, I'll put the if condition. If A is greater than if A is greater than B and A is greater and A is greater than C and A is greater than D and A is greater than E. So here we can see if A is greater than B and A is greater than C and A is greater than D and A is greater than E. So if A is greater than all of them, then if now here comes the nested if A within the body of another if. Now here A is greater than and equal to 85, then see out your grade is A. So on, else if now here else if comes A is greater than 70 greater than equal to 70 and A is less than 85. See out your grade is B. You need to write there see out and then A is greater than equal to 60 and A is less than 70. Your grade is C. So here we can see that first of all I check that if A is greater than all of them, then if A is then by nested if I check if A is greater than 85, then it have A grade. If then else if I put here if A is greater than and equal to 70 and A is less than 85, then A have B grade. And then if A is greater than equal to 60 and A is less than 70, then A have C grade. So by writing this as like we have to write all of them first, and then we will write for B, then we will write for C, and then we will write for D, and then in the end we will write for E. So you should have to complete the program as a homework, and you have to do practice of this program, and I'll also do there just like this. Copy this, paste, put B, A, B, C, and B, D, and B, A. Just remove A and put B. Remove A and put B, because this is the turn of B. I think the program will get very big for 5 students, so we will just calculate the first two. Let me remove those others. Remove those, and we should also have to remove those from here. Now run the program. It will ask us to put the number of first student. Let's suppose the first student gets 54 out of, no, I didn't put the option of 54, so let's suppose you get 65 and the other students get 75. So it will give the B grade for the student who have highest marks, and it will just show the student who have marks greater than other. So it will just show the marks of topper one. So this was the basic program of nested if. I hope you all understand. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you for today. So Allah Hafiz.